Dubai City Tour. Discover all of Dubai's most memorable and famous sites in one tour. Combining the charming, old and historical, with the contemporary and glittering, the Dubai Classic City Tour covers every attraction on your Dubai checklist, in a day of unforgettable sightseeing. The tour starts at 9:30 am when your tour guide picks you up from your preferred location, hotel, or residence in Dubai or Sharjah. On an exclusive city tour, you can pick the places you want to visit from the tour itinerary. You can decide where and how much time to spend. The trip duration will be 4 hours. A 4-hour city sightseeing tour through the history and landmarks of Dubai.
During the summertime, we stay in the a little bit more better to stay in not in a flash house, but in a snow house that is very hot. Because they have no air conditioning system. And during the night, they have to sleep on top of their rooftop. Until the Iranian came in the 19th century and they introduced the bar gym, the wind tower that I was mentioning earlier, which was a non-electronic air conditioning system. The bar gym is a structure. This is the white of this structure right here. That is the bar gym right there. The tall structure with rooms actually from all sides and all corners. So initially, we didn't have it was not concrete. It was a floating in between, which were whereby the cold water and the cold water is from the hot air and carried it to cold air, the heavy air would come inside, then we have to find out there a hot air.
Dubai Museum, Jumeirah Mosque, Jumeirah Beach, Burj Al Arab, the Palm Island, Atlantis Hotel, Mall of Emirates, Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa.